My name is Jill Patel. I am the managing director of Crown Health Limited and managing partner for Jahan Healthcare LLP. We are into manufacturing and trading of surgical instruments, disposables, machines. We are into construction of hospitals, setup of hospitals, etc. So we have been in this healthcare sector since 1981. My father was involved in this business since he was 16 years old. And he taught me all my life. My existing life is dedicated towards him. My father passed away in April 2021 recently, sadly. He is my inspiration. He is the factor why I am what I am today. In 2015 I established my company Jahan Healthcare LLP. That company, the secondary company which I started, it was totally focused on manufacturing of surgical instruments, disposables, machines, etc. That manufacturing sector was totally, was my responsibility. I learned a lot through that time as well. You should always experiment with businesses, or you should always experiment with what you want to do, because you never know when your interests change, and this is the time when you get a solid idea of what your future is going to be. So in this time I was always experimenting with a lot of things. So finally I landed on other business which is into setup of IT hardware infrastructure. So we set up servers, we set up home automation, commercial automations, home theaters, lighting solutions. These are the things which I took an affinity towards by watching videos on YouTube. I learned everything from Google, etc. So this is what my passion has been since maybe 4 or 5 years, and I have grown to be very comfortable around IT hardware infrastructure. So this is what I started in 2020. The start of 2020, I was very comfortable and going towards that. Then Corona hit, so that business was hit a lot. But fortunately enough, our business in healthcare sector, fortunately as well as unfortunately, because a lot of people lost their lives, and it was very difficult for us to see the basic amenities which were needed by people, and those amenities were not available to people. So for example, sanitizer or masks or stuff like that. We also had a thela on SG Highway, where me and one of my friends used to sell chai. We used to sell packets of food. We used to sell sandwiches, Maggie, etc. Where we used to learn about how the basics of business work, how how small businesses go around, and how they earn cash. They earn what is the importance of cash flow. What is the importance of managing your purchases, sellings, etc. I also did an experimental, seasonal business, that is for selling kites. Selling kites, I had a stall for that as well. So where I made a huge loss, but my dad was very comfortable with that. He used to tell me that this is when you learn. So these are small losses when you learn about the workings of the business. Since that time, I have learned a lot. I was in one of the worst part of my life, was that specific time when my father left us. But in that part, I always used to remember my father, never to be demotivated by problems in your life. Always think about the future. Always think about people who are dependent on you. I always wondered what my father could have done at this particular situation, and I always strive to do what he could have done. I want to follow on his footsteps, but those are very big shoes to fill. So this is what my life is going to be, and I have accepted the fact. So for young and new entrepreneurs, I always tell you, never lose hope. Never lose hope. Everything is going to be perfect. Always strive for perfection, because you will never be perfect, but always strive towards it. The future of India would be the brightest in any of the nations worldwide, and we would be the core in the future of this world. We are the people who are getting new ideas. We still have our ideologies expanding, so we also know how to create new things, how to solve a lot of problems in our life. If you are solving a problem in your life, that is now the best part of your life, because you are solving someone's problems, you are solving your own problems, and that will take you towards becoming a successful entrepreneur, I would say. I was looking for a car, an SUV, a mid-sized SUV, where I could travel comfortably, travel as well as it being safe, it being quite responsive, it being so. I am an automobile enthusiast as well, so I like something which is very very nifty or maybe very agile. So Volkswagen was the way to go, which fit in my budget, and this budget, I would say this is the best car you can go for. So, talking about the features of this car, so wonderfully, the steering is wonderful. It's quite light. It's very responsive. The transmission is what I fell in love with. So this was one of the key factors why I decided for this car. So the transmission, the DSG, the dual clutch transmission was one of the most important points why I went for this car, and because it is such a beautiful transmission, you never know when the gears are shifting. So the smooth experience was what I was looking for. It feels luxurious. It feels sporty whenever you are trying to just get on with trying to overtake a huge vehicle on highways. So it is very comfortable for you to go forward with it. Then I would talk about the touchscreen. The touchscreen is very responsive. The music system is quite good. It's quite clear. It's quite thumping. Then I would say all the features which is given, that is the dynamic stability, the body roll of the car while taking turns, while taking very abrupt turns. The body roll of the car is not that much, even though it's being an SUV. It's quite plush to the ground. While on higher speeds on the highways, it is very very stable. It is very comfortable for you to maneuver the car around any obstacles which go forward with it. The space of the car, and it is very comfortable to sit in, even for the passengers. Yeah, for me as a driver, I can adjust all my sitting capabilities. I can adjust my seat, I can adjust my steering to my liking. So it is quite customizable, as well as the interior is wonderful. It's beautiful. The red interior makes the car pop. The it makes it look a little sporty. Even the boot space is quite good, so it has a perfect balance of all the things which might be needed. Looking at the exterior of the car, I fell in love with it the first time I saw it. The front, it's elegant, it's classy, it's simple. The back is something different. It's the long tail light of the car is wonderful. So the exterior, it makes you feel muscly. The car is very the stance of the car is wonderful. The shape of the car, the bonnet is wonderfully shaped. Even the size of the tires, the overall look of the car is wonderful, beautiful.